This is my grandfather's car. Remember that? And here's Micah, Jose. And there's a CR, and there's a sink, blah blah blah. Wait, there's one outside.
The pink.
House.
Yeah.
We live in a pink house also.
And let's go in the outside. Let's go outside. This is a vegan, and this is the flags. He will going out, and this is the tree. This is wait. Oh, that is a flag of Philippines. This is a
Flag of Philippines.
this is
A chair.
a chair.
With the ant.
Okay, chair. Okay, this is a little ant.
Don't make it too close.
Okay,
Okay.
that is ant, and then
Don't put on the camera. Don't put on the camera.
don't put you. I will.
And there's a truck.
Let's go down.
but that-
Okay.
Teka.
Hindi, liputin muna natin to.
Okay.
This is
I'll wait for the house.
a way to the house or something.
Wait, let me check if it's a house. Hey, you're not showing it. The camera is facing down.
This is a leaf.
Yes, it is a house.
Okay, this is a weird chair. And this is a chair.
Right.
Weird
I've
chair.
seen this chair before. Oh, there's a mirror.
Oh, mirror. There's us. And this.
Don't make the camera face down. Show them where you're going.
Okay. My tummy hurts.
So, wait, there's more. Going here.
Let's go here.
Run!
I don't want to run.
Just pause. Just pause. See you there for a second. That is so hard air. Whoa!
Oh, so cold. Let's go there.
Just look at the storm coming. And why it's not raining anymore?
It's cold. Let's go down. Okay.
There's a dog.
I will just sa yung kwarto. Wait, Dante.
Wait, who's this again?
Sa yung kwarto.
Okay, see you in the pool. The pool viewer. So here we are. Micah! There's like a party in here. Whoa! A party. There's a party. Huh. Oh, there's a slide. I didn't notice.
Wow.
There's the entrance. It's right there. Behind the slide.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is where the registration before, but it's already gone. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye. Bye.